I will give you 5 steps on how to make your Android phone fast. Okay, the first step we have here is to clear your background apps. Now, firstly, most apps that run in your background slow down your phone. So to clear your background apps, you can simply, you know, remove all the apps here, close all, or you go down to your settings. And in your settings, you look for apps, but in my own device I have to go through battery, then select battery, background usage limit, or I have to limit it, or maybe put the apps that I'm not using to sleep, or restrict, put some limits to the battery usage. Then you can also make use of the apps and close unnecessary ones. Then for step 2, we have to reduce animations. And to Android has animations that look nice but can also contribute in slowing down your device or your phone. So to reduce animations, we'll have to go to settings. Then we'll go down to about phone. In some devices, it's under about phone, but it might not be the exact way I'm going. But over here, I'll have to click on software information. But what you're to look for is the build number. Then you have to tap on it 7 times. Then put in your password. So the developer mode has been turned on. So when you're done clicking on the build number 7 times, thereby activating the developer mode or developer options, you have to go back to your settings again. Then you see where the developer options is activated. Click on it. Then you look for the animations so that you can be able to reduce your animation scale. Well, I won't be reducing my own because I do not want to touch it. So it can be different on your own device, but I'm using a different device. So if I want to reduce it, select the one or turn it off. Either reduce it to maybe 0.5 or 5x, or I can turn the animation off. Yeah, thank you. Then when you're through, you can turn off your developer mode here. The third step here is to clear cache, not data. So to clear our file cache, we'll have to, the easy way is just press and hold on the app, then click on the more information icon, then click on storage, and click on clear cache and not data, or not app data. The cache files can slow down your phone over time. You can also clear the cache of other applications like your YouTube, your WhatsApp, and every other app you want. And the step 4, you have to uninstall unused apps, applications that you are not using anymore. They are taking space on your phone, so you can remove them, thereby clearing space on your phone and making your phone to work faster. Then lastly, fifth step is you have to restart your phone weekly. Yes, most people find it very, very difficult in restarting their phones. When you leave your phone on for so long, week after week, it's not good. So once in a while, you try to restart your phone. Restarting your phone helps clears memory and boosts its speed. Thank you. If this video really helped you, or you have a question to ask, maybe you are confused somewhere along the line, You are free to ask a question in the comment section, and if this video really helped you, you can please like and subscribe for more tech tips. Thank you.